Alright guys, hope everybody's doing well. What I'm thinking about doing, well what I'm doing today is, obviously I appreciate everybody that watches my channel, everybody that subscribes. It's just fantastic and I absolutely love it. Thank you to everybody. But there's a lot of guys that subscribed and maybe don't have YouTube channels, love RC cars, but don't want to do the channel side of things, which is absolutely fine. So what I figured on doing is, if you guys send me in to bigpapapaulrc@gmail.com, I'll put it up on the video. If you send me in your videos or pictures of builds you've done you're really proud of, maybe it's even like a highest jump you've ever done, or just something cool, something you like doing with your RC cars. What I'm planning on doing is maybe once a month, when I've got a few videos together or a few pictures, whatever it may be, just put them on a series like I've done for this one, and I'll get your guys' videos up on the channel. So here's a couple that I've got. So I only posted it up middle of the week, so I've got Lewis Milanazzo and Stephen Griffiths. They're the guys that have sent me some stuff in, so I've put their cars and their footage up, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. I mean, there's really nice cars they've got, and if you do like it and you want your car to be featured, or your boat or your plane, doesn't matter as long as it's radio controlled, send it over to me and I'll get it up. So enjoy the footage guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe everybody.